Hello, 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 here Mark for Concrette. Today I have a word for all furniture lovers because we want to present you something completely new from our Concrette brand. Today we want to present you knobs, but not any knobs. Furniture knobs in, as you see, little bit rock and roll style. It is our collection we call Gents&Lands. Schools with a hats, but different hats. From the crown, classical hat, to the sport one. Why? Because we love unique interiors. We love interiors with passion, with style, with some touches of design that are outside the box. And today we think furniture can also be outside the box. This is why I want to present those. We have different sets for you. We have two sets of schools. One we call it, as I mentioned before, Gents&Lands. Second one is punk and funk. Both use school as a main motif, and both are perfect to mix, match, because you can buy them in set of 3. Of course, you can buy them individually, and there is one more shape, classical, our classical low poly school, that you can buy in single unit or in set of 5. So you can do whole kitchen, whole wardrobe in school and make it rock and roll, make it live, make it loud. Thank you very much. To see all the information about the products, please check the links below. Also, if you like our small product presentations, like it, share it and comment it. Let's rock and roll.